Lenovo ThinkPad Z13. For many, a laptop that has 50 watt of battery life would be a breakthrough. It means more time to finish your work without being stuck by the socket. The ThinkPad Z13 has 50 watt-hour, and it helps you do just that. This video looks at Lenovo ThinkPad Z13's amazing specifications and performance. Price. Firstly, with the Lenovo ThinkPad Z13, it appears Lenovo took the time they had and came out with a reasonably new design concept. From the colors to their components, they aimed at grabbing a larger market share with a premium-looking yet very affordable device. Irrespective of the great tech it houses, the Z13 starts at $1,500, a reasonable price for a premium-looking business laptop. The 50 watt-hour of the Z13 provides about 14 hours life, which is more than most other laptops, which have less than 10 hours of battery life. We sustain the environment if we use bigger, replaceable batteries. Large organizations have committed to reaching a carbon-neutral footprint in the shortest time possible. Lenovo didn't leave themselves out, hence their use of replaceable high-capacity cells and eco-friendly materials in making certain parts of their ThinkPad Z13. We talk more about this significant step later in the video. Display. Flipping the ThinkPad Z13 reveals a gigantic OLED panel display with a good 13.3 inches of screen real estate. 13.3 inches is enough to take you through your regular usages that do not require multiple displays. Even more thrilling is the resolution, which is 2880 by 1620 pixels and can produce up to 2K+ in quality. If you asked us, we tell you that's a good display looking at the price. Don't forget, most laptops in this range have just 1080px support. An advantage of the OLED display is its ability to give true blacks and true white colors, like those on older ThinkPads LCD panels cannot achieve. Hence, blacks appear more bluish than necessary and whites more tinted. What other laptops offer high-quality displays? We know of the HP NV360, and tell us any other ones you know in the comments. We're always happy to hear your contributions. Battery life. The ThinkPad mounts a 50 watt-hour battery. 50 watt-hour means it should be able to take you through your work for roughly 14 hours. Furthermore, the ThinkPad Z13's sufficient battery supports rapid charge, fast charging. This means it can be bumped from a 0% battery to 50% in less than 30 minutes. We're sure you'd barely have the battery dying on you in your use of the device. Yet on the few occasions that it does, getting enough power to boot it up again is a matter of minutes. This makes the Z13 one of the best devices in terms of battery life. If you think the Z13 is a beast, wait till you hear the Z16, our upcoming video. You can join the Gadget Score community by subscribing so you don't miss when that Z16 video is dropped. Battery capacity is a crucial pinpoint for anyone looking to buy a laptop. It translates to more time to finish watching your favorite series or to complete the assignment that's due in no time. The ThinkPad's 14-hour battery life does all that and more. Processor. As a powerful laptop, Lenovo couldn't have done without a complementary high-performing chip. The Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 carries an AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 6860Z processor. The Ryzen 7 Pro has 8 cores with a base clock speed of 4.7 GHz. The ThinkPad has 16 MB of total L3 cache. Most markets have 4 MB. It also supports the L3 caching, with L2 caching up to 4 MB. The AMD Ryzen 7 Pro onboard the Z13 is not unlocked for overclocking. Hence, it has a maximum operating temperature of 203 degrees Fahrenheit or 95 degrees Celsius. Build quality. The laptop comes in Arctic Gray, Black, and Bronze, and these are more variants than usual. The packaging of the ThinkPad Z13 is made out of recyclable bamboo, a brave move to reduce global carbon emissions in a worldwide effort to limit, or if possible, end climate change. Additionally, Lenovo built the body of the laptop from recycled aluminum. An extra option made of vegan leather, an environmentally friendly material, is also available. We commend Lenovo for taking part in this critical push to save our planet. Lenovo uses the same eco-materials in the Z16 and other laptops outside the ThinkPad Z series to have a more significant impact. If you're already fascinated by this laptop, gird your loins for more as we look at the large storage and enormous RAM installed in the ThinkPad Z13. Storage and memory. In continuation, for a device of any size to run smoothly, it needs to access the necessary files quickly and have enough storage for them. The Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 has up to 1 TB of SSD storage. It uses the more advanced PCIe Gen 4 SSD to provide better performance. The large storage is coupled with 32 GB of RAM, and these should be enough to power your heavy and system-intensive software. Additional features. Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 unboxing will give you a very all-rounded experience. On top of the key specifications, the ThinkPad Z13 features a fingerprint sensor, USB ports, Bluetooth version 5.2, headphone jack, Wi-Fi 6E, 4G LTE support, and is prepackaged with Windows 11. If that isn't a great offer, we don't know what is. Gadget Score thinks the ThinkPad Z13 will give you value for your money because Lenovo did so well with it. If this video gets up to 1K likes, it means you also love how much effort Lenovo put into this laptop. So yeah, feel free to smash the like button. Want to hear something impressive? Despite the unimpressive specs of early generation ThinkPads, Lenovo has sold over 100 million of them. If you found this video informative, we recommend watching ThinkPad Z13 and Z16, Best Business Laptops in 2022. It's very helpful for people that can't decide which of the two to buy. Thank you for watching.